Good morning to you and all. I am Bharti, working as an assistant professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. S. Gopal Raju, Government State College, Kanekal. This is session BU 38 and BNU 41. In this session, we are going to discuss about the problems on purchase consideration. In the last session also, we have discussed about the problems on purchase consideration and a net payment method. In this session also, we are discussing about some more problems. Let's see the problem. So problem number 1, the purchasing company has agreed to issue 60,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, valued at rupees 12 each, 20,000 8% preference shares of rupees 10 each at a discount of 5%, 10,000 10% debentures of rupees 10 each at par and pay cash equal to 10% of face value of shares and debentures issued. The company also agreed to meet the dissolution expenses of rupees 10,000. Okay, so this is the problem which is given. See the problem once again. The purchasing company has agreed to issue 60,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, valued at rupees 12 each. 60,000 equity shares 10 rupees value ಇದೆ ಆದರೆ it is valued at rupees 12 each. So 12 each means more than the face value. 10 is the face value. So it is valued at rupees 12 each. 12 each means 2 rupees will be the premium. So 2 rupees extra value will be the premium value. Next, 24,000 8% preference shares of rupees 10 each at a discount of 5%. So here there's a preference shares of rupees 24,000 at rupees 10 each is there, and it is issued at a discount. Discount is nothing but less than the face value. 10 into 5% you have to deduct. So then you will get a discount amount. So for preference shares. And 10% debentures of rupees 10 each at par. So par is nothing but at the face value, no changes here. So it is not having more than the value or less than the value, it is equal to the face value, that is called as a par. 10% debentures of rupees 10 each at par and pay cash equal to 10% of face value of shares and debentures issued. Cash will be equal to the value of shares and debentures which is issued. Cash 10% face value ಮೇಲೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಮೇಲಪ್ಪ ತಗೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಶೇರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ 10% ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. The company also agreed to meet the dissolution expenses of rupees 10,000. So dissolution expenses 10,000 meet ಮಾಡಿದೆ company. Okay, so this is the problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. So calculation of purchase consideration and a net payment method. So first one is by issue of 60,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each at rupees 12. So it is actually having 10 rupees and it is issued at rupees 12. So 60,000 into 12 you have to take, you'll get 7,20,000. And second one is preference shares. By issue of 24,000, 8% preference shares of rupees 10 each at 5% discount. 10 into 5% means you will get 0.5. So out of 10, you have to deduct minus 0.5, then you will get 9.5. So this amount you have to take for preference shares. The number of shares is 24,000. 24,000 into 9.5. So if you multiply this, you will get 2,28,000. And by issue of 10,000, 10% debentures of rupees 10 each at par. At par means there is no increase in value or decrease in value. So it is at the face value. So whatever the face value is there, that face value we have to take into consideration. That is 10,000 into 10. So you'll get 1 lakh rupees. And by payment of cash. So this requires the calculation. So this is how the working note is there. Working note, calculation of total share value of shares and debentures. Total face value of equity shares is 60,000 into 10. So here it is given in the problem, that is 60,000 shares of rupees 10 each. So that we have taken here 60,000 into 10. And total value of preference shares, this is also given in the problem, 24,000 shares of rupees 10 each. 24,000 into 10. So it is 2,40,000. And total value of debentures, it is also given in the problem itself. 10,000 share debentures of rupees 10 each. So that means you'll get 1 lakh. So the total of it is 9,40,000. Okay. So this 9,40,000 is available for calculation of cash. So ಈ 9,40,000 ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ಗೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಅವರೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಶೇರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ 10% ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇದೆಲ್ಲಾನು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಟೋಟಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮೇಲೆ 10% ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. 9,40,000 into 10% means you will get 94,000. 9,40,000 into 10% means 94,000. So now we should add all this, then you will get purchase consideration. That is 7,20,000, 2,28,000, 1 lakh and 94,000. So total purchase consideration is 11,42,000. This is how you should calculate PC under net payment method. Okay, and we'll see one more problem. Calculate the purchase consideration from the following details. The purchasing company has agreed to issue 30,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 10%. 1,008% preference shares of rupees 100 each at par. 1,006% debentures of rupees 100 each at 10% discount, and pay cash equal to 20% of total purchase consideration. So here they have given you have to take on 20% on total purchase consideration. So in the problem nodi, the purchasing company has agreed to issue 30,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 10%. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ 30,000 shares of rupees 10 each ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ 10% premium ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 10 into 10% ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get the premium value. So you should add that. 1,008% preference shares of rupees 100 each at par. At par means there is no changes in face value. So you have to take as it is, that is 1,000 into 100. And 1,006% debentures of rupees 100 each at discount. Discount means you have to take less than the face value. Okay. So here 100 into minus 10%. 100 into 10% means you will get the 10. You have to deduct that. So then you have to take that amount. And pay cash equal to 20% on purchase consideration. So 20% to purchase consideration ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುವಂತದನ್ನ cash ಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is the problem. Okay, let's see the solution for this. So calculation of purchase consideration under net payment method. So here it is given by issue of 30,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each at a premium of 10%. 10 into 10% ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 10 plus 1 equal to 11. Okay, 30,000 into 11 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ so you'll get 3,30,000 as issue of equity shares. Equity shares ಮುಖಾಂತರ PC discharge ಮಾಡುವಂತದ್ದು. And by issue of 1,008% preference shares of rupees 100 each at par. At par is nothing but no changes. it is not in increased position or it is not in a decreased position. It will be at the face value. ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 1000 into 100. 1000 into 100 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ 1 lakh rupees ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Next, by issue of 1006% debentures of rupees 100 each at 10% discount. 10% discount ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. 100 into 10% ಅಂದ್ರೆ you'll get a 10. 100 minus 10 means you'll get 90. Okay, so this we have to take for debentures. 1000 into 90 means you'll get a 90,000. Okay, so this is the total of debentures. 90,000 will be there. Okay, so next we'll go for by payment of cash. So how much will be given in the form of cash? So for that we have to make some calculations. Payment of cash, total of purchase consideration before payment of cash into cash percentage. Cash, that is 100 minus cash you have to take. So divided by 100 minus cash. Okay, so this is how we have to calculate payment of cash. So here 3,30,000, 1 lakh and 90,000. Okay, so if you add 3 of this, so you'll get 5,20,000 into, so the percentage they have given is 20%. So 100 minus 20 means you'll get 80. So if you divide this, you'll get 1,30,000. It is for cash, payment of cash. So this is how we have to calculate the balance amount for cash. So ಇದು balance amount cash na calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Total purchase consideration before payment of cash. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕೊಡಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರೇಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಂಟು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 100 ಮೈನಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್. 100 ಮೈನಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ 5,20,000 rupees ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡಕ್ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇಂಟು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ 20% ಅವರೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಆ 20 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 100 minus 20. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 100 minus 20, ಈ 20 100 minus 20 ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 80 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So remaining balance is called as a 1,30,000. So ಈ 1,30,000 we have to take it here, 1,30,000. Okay, so now if you add all this, you'll get 6,50,000. So this will be the value of purchase consideration. ಇದು purchase consideration na amount ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so this is how we have to calculate purchase consideration under net payment method. Okay, and this is the books you can refer for your further studies. So, and also from the exam point of view, you can refer these books for gaining more knowledge. Thank you all.